Next on stage, I would like to have Mr. Manoj Hazarika, Country Head IBU, Exide Industries Limited.
Good evening to all. Happy UPS Come Solar Day. Starting with my sincere thanks once again to Dr. Sai, the Sofdix team, for organizing this and including us as a sponsor. It's also a very great moment for me always to be part of the entire UPS fraternity, meeting the stalwarts, the captains of the industry, and an opportunity to learn new things. The most encouraging word that I have heard today is the word collaboration. I think that's a very important part, because if you people start collaborating among yourselves, it will make our life much easier. If you start collaborating and in a very rational and practical way and make the competition less fierce, I think I'll be able to help you all with the kind of prices and not favor one or disfavor the other. I think there is there's a very vital word that has come out of today's meeting, and I'm very happy to hear about it. As for the industry is concerned, I think yes, we also have our estimates that it is going to be growing in the coming 10 years, 20 years time. As Mr. George has rightly put, the industrial scenario of the country is very, very progressive and very, very rosy. UPS, as always, has become an integral part of all requirements, whether it is power outage or power availability. UPS has to be there, because it's not only about power backup, but also about producing quality power. As always, about our organization, I think many of you are aware that we have been the leader in lead-acid batteries for many years now. But that doesn't stop us only to think about lead acid. Many of you know that we are also foraying into lithium ion. So going forward, all your energy requirements can be catered by Exide, whether it is lead acid, whether it is lithium ion. So you can always bank on us for your requirements on batteries. About the energy storage, yes, the discussions are on. Probably in times to come, we will also be offering you energy storage solutions. So it will take some time. It's too early to give any comment out here, but I'm very hopeful the senior management of the company is working on it. I am also very encouraged to hear that the solar part is also is growing. There's no doubt about it. It is the future. So just to give you an update, we in Exide has launched one VRLA battery for solar application. Earlier we didn't have that product. We have been providing you with tubular batteries, but now we can offer you AGM VRLA batteries with 2 years warranty, specifically for solar application. So that is a new thing on the plate, so you can always try it. As for the capacity expansion, many times I come to this forum and give you an update. So this time I can again give an update on it. In lead acid also, we are trying to increase the capacity of our production for the medium VRLA part of batteries, which is primarily in the range of 26 to 200 Ah. So I think with this, with the increased demand of the market, you can always bank on Exide for bigger requirements. Once again, thank you all, Dr. Sai, his team, and the entire UPS fraternity. Look forward for a very good future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.